Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you are new here, welcome. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and today I am making the easiest dip in the world. It's not a new recipe, it's not anything that I made, like that I invented or anything, but I just want to put y'all on in case y'all don't know about it already. So you only need 3 ingredients. First, you need some pork sausage, and you can get the patties, but you need to break them up because we're gonna make it like crumbled, like how you would cook ground beef. So, pork sausage. Next up, we have cream cheese. And then last but not least is Rotel. So I think like the official name for this is Rotel Dip because it's Rotel in it, but these are the 3 things you're gonna need, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so I have my pot here. My flame is on like medium high, and then you just squeeze the sausage in there. It looks so gross when you're squeezing it out, but it tastes so good, I swear. Alright, so once you have your sausage fully cooked and you drain off the grease, fat, whatever you want to call it, you want to take your cream cheese and add it in. I cut my cream cheese into blocks to make it easier to melt, but totally do not have to do that. And then I just stir it up until all of the cheese is melted. It helps if while you're cooking you have the cheese sitting out so it can get, you know, kind of room temperature-ish. But honestly, this is so fast. If you take out the cheese at the same time that you took out your sausage to start cooking, it's not going to be room temperature by the time you need to add it in because the sausage cooks up so quick. So right now I have the flame on medium, so we can melt this cheese down and just like squish at it. Now that is all melted, nicely combined, we're gonna go ahead and add in the Rotel. You can totally drain your can if you want. I didn't drain mine. Personal preference. And you just mix that on in there. Voila. It is done. So it looks kind of bland on camera, but it looks like really good in person, and it smells really good, and not to mention it tastes really good. So yeah, you can totally eat this like dip, as the name says, you know, with some chips if you're into eating carbs, or if you're doing keto, you can eat it just plain like this, or you can eat it with some cheese chips, or you can eat it like scoop it up with some bacon. You can also eat it with like carrots and celery if you kind of wait for it to kind of cool off a little bit, like room temperature dip instead of eating it when it's warm. Or you can eat it like on top of vegetables like broccoli, cooked or raw, or you can eat it on top of like burgers, or it might even be good on some steak, like on the side, you know, jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, the options are kind of endless for how you can eat this. We're just gonna eat it as it is, just straight up plain. And yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button down below so you can subscribe, and while you're down there, hit that bell as well to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. I do try to upload 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so turn on that bell so you get notified of all 3. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give a thumbs up, and I will see all you guys in my next video. Bye.